guys, it's Marie with WTI. These curtains in my daughter's room are so fun.
My daughter's window is fairly small, so you can see that even with a small window, you can still make out the characters and see the colors and the designs and the different details, which I really love. And since my daughter's window is small, it definitely keeps out the light. You can see here it's satin and nice and silky material, and the back is gray. They don't black out the light, but they definitely keep out a lot of light.
If your children love Paw Patrol as much as my children do, these curtains are for you and their room. My daughter loves this so much. So if you have a daughter who is into Paw Patrol and she just loves waking up and thinking about Paw Patrol and singing Paw Patrol, Paw Patrol, this is definitely the product for you. And that's my point of view.